behind the split?
The split is really almost philosophical in nature. It's what they want to see Bitcoin become. Part of the ecosystem is very much wanting to see Bitcoin remain basically a store of value as it has been, an alternative to gold, a safe digital asset class. But there's also been a growing clamour really for the scalability to keep up, the fact that transactions have become sluggish and costly. How do you scale? And they managed to compromise this so far with a so-called SegWit 2, it was called, SegWit 2x, which was a software update that they managed to get most of the ecosystem to agree to increase the block sizes. That's where you record the transactions on the blockchain and increase them double to 1 megabyte to 2 megabytes. That wasn't enough for a small group of Asian entrepreneurs and investors and developers. They wanted even more scalability. They wanted to go from 1 megabyte to 8 megabytes, and it happened today with Bitcoin Cash. So almost like a stock split in the same way that they had a same history. Now we have two different currencies going a different direction. Instead of fostered on different business models, they're supported by different digital technologies underlying them. The protocol, the so-called blockchain, is now different.
So what does this actually mean for Bitcoin traders?
A lot of volatility, a lot of question marks, a lot of hand-wringing, and actually a decision as to whether you want to back Bitcoin Cash or not. Because what we've actually seen is that not everyone, the whole ecosystem, is going to back this new digital currency. If you own Bitcoin right now, you're allowed to get Bitcoin Cash automatically. But that's only if you've had your Bitcoin stored in the supportive wallets, in the supportive areas and companies that will, and exchanges that will allow you to have both Bitcoin and get Bitcoin Cash as well. The likes of, for example, Fred Wilson, who interestingly is a backer of Coinbase, the biggest exchange out there, he says, I don't want Bitcoin Cash. Keep it, because I don't believe in the underlying technology for now. So if you're a Bitcoin holder, you've actually seen a lot of turbulence, a lot of people suddenly withdrawing their Bitcoins out of the exchanges such as Coinbase because they weren't going to be able to get hold of Bitcoin Cash, and then trying to put it into an exchange such as Kraken, which did. So I think for the time being, you're seeing a lot of people just trying to work out where the prices go.